Welcome to the Keto Kickstart weight loss program, how to lose weight, reduce cravings, and increase your energy in 30 days. I'm Chris Irvin, Education Manager at Perfect Keto, and I'm so excited to help you take control of your health. In this video, I'm gonna give you an overview of the Keto Kickstart program so you know what you get and what to expect. We launched the Keto Kickstart weight loss program 2 years ago, and so far over 92,000 people have signed up to lose weight, get healthy, and improve their quality of life. We surveyed a group of participants last year and found that 86% of them reported increased energy and reduced cravings. 80% of them reported feeling less hungry, and 73% of them reported that their clothes fit better after the 30-day program. If those results are enough for you, don't even worry about watching the rest of this video. Just sign up for the program now. If you need a bit more convincing, let's continue. Here's what you get when you sign up for any version of the Keto Kickstart program. 30-day step-by-step program, a meal plan and snack guide, exercise guide, supplement guide, shopping list, access to a keto coach and community support group, daily emails to help keep you on track, and cooking tips. Healthy weight loss isn't just about calories in versus calories out. It's about replacing bad habits with good habits, and that's what this program is designed to help you do. One of the hardest things about keto is knowing what to eat, which is why we developed a daily meal plan. And the foods we chose aren't just keto-friendly foods. We chose foods that are specifically designed to help you lose weight. Exercise plays a big role in your weight loss, but not all exercise is optimized for fat loss. We've created an exercise program that pairs perfectly with a keto diet to turn your body into a fat-burning machine. Whether you have access to a gym or are working out from home, our exercise guide provides options for both. So who is this program for? This program is for anybody who has tried to lose weight in the past, but has failed to see the results they were looking for. So many weight loss programs out there just focus on calories in versus calories out. And this just leads to more hunger, increases in cravings, and long-term just sets you up with more metabolic damage, which makes losing weight progressively harder. This program is also for anybody who's stuck at a weight loss plateau or just looking to trim up after falling off the weight loss wagon. So whether this is your first or your 5th time trying keto, this program is designed to kick your body into fat burning mode.